मैं अमित चक्रवर्ती आपका होस्ट एंड दोस्त यूट्यूब के नए वीडियो में आपका स्वागत करता हूं। टुडे आई विल टेल यू डेवलप माइक्रोसॉफ्ट टीम क्लाइंट। First of all, I will tell you about introduction to team clients. MS Team available in mobile, desktop and browser platforms. MS Team integrated with communication and meeting room devices, no matter which device you work from. MS Team has desktop client available for Windows and Mac computers. MS Team has web client and mobile client, both of them for Android and iOS platforms. MS Team require an active internet connection to perform the team meeting. MS Team offer team for VDI, that is virtualized desktop infrastructure. MS Team is turned on for all the organizations. MS Team administrators can assign user license to allow or block what content source are used. It is available in both free and paid version. Next is plan to develop team desktop clients. MS Team desktop client provide a installed either individually by user or rolled out by IT in a mass development. MS Team advantage of team desktop client included auto start, which ensure that you will stay signed in and any important notification which is comes in MS Team. Next is installation option. MS Team desktop client come with standalone exe install for user installation and work with MSI for IT installations. MS Team available by default as part of Microsoft 365 application. Anybody who has a team license can sign it team via web or install MS Team exe. MS Team administrators can perform a bulk development of the team desktop client to selected user or computers in their organization. MS Team provided MSI file both for 32-bit and 64-bit that administrators use Microsoft Endpoint Configuration Manager as well as group policy and third-party distribution softwares. Installation considerations. MS Team Windows desktop client is installed per user wise. MS Team client can be installed without administrator permissions, though they are required on a Mac, and work with either 32-bit or 64-bit architecture. MS Team 64-bit version is recommended for Windows as well as Mac. Minimum requirement include Office 2013 or higher. MS Team client updates. MS Team desktop client update itself automatically, but user can also manual download updates. MS Team is installed by default with new installation of Microsoft 365 applications. Team follow its own update process and not that of other Office application as Word or PowerPoint. MS Team desktop client updates are released every 2 weeks after rigorous internal testing and validation of software. MS Team plan to develop Team Web Client. MS Team Web Client is fully functional client that runs on the most recent version of all common browsers. That is related to Chrome or Firefox all. MS Team Web Client supports calling and meeting by using WebRTC. So Team required no plugin or download to run in a web browser. MS Team browser configured to allow third-party cookies. MS Team web client perform browser version detection upon connection to Teams. If any unsupported browser version is detected, Teams block access to the web interface of MS Team. MS Team plan to develop Team mobile clients. MS Team mobile applications are available for Android 4.4 or a later version, and iOS 10 and or later version. MS Team geared on the go users participating in chat-based conversations, allowing peer-to-peer audio calls. MS Team mobile application can be installed from the Google Play Store or Apple Play Store for iOS. Hope I am telling all the capable steps of MS Team develop Microsoft Team clients. That is the end of this video. Thank you.